I'll give you.
Yes.
I'm sweaty.
How are you?
You okay? How are you?
Fine.
Thailand
You look
guys.
so gorgeous. Yes.
I love Thailand. I love you people. You are so kind to me. I appreciate that with all my heart, and I stand here. No one can silence my voice. That's what I'm here to share a message. And I want to say to all my people back in Mexico, here I stand, more strong than ever, and no one will silence my voice. And I love you guys. Thank you for all your support. I really appreciate, and I'm hungry right now. I want to go. I want to go to the. Do you know if it's coming like the boba or something? Want to eat?
Yeah, don't worry. You're gonna have a lot of food there. But don't
Yeah,
worry
right,
about
I'm
what
excited.
happened today. I mean, tonight, it's a different story, different part of your life now.
We are
Just
here.
enjoy the journey. We love you.
Thank you very much. I will enjoy everything about your culture, and I
Yeah.
can't wait to meet more wonderful people and all the things that your magnificent country has to offer. And I mean, here I stand, and I will be here enjoying everything with all the delegates that they show me their support. I really appreciate that. They are truly queens and inspiration for me, and here I am, and I know that God sees everything, and I know that I have him on my side, so I'm not afraid of anything or of everyone or for anyone, because I know who I am, and it's like that. I have peace in my heart.
That's okay. All we're gonna need to do tonight is to eat because the cruise is very expensive.
Yeah.
So we're gonna eat a lot.
So I will eat a lot. I will eat everything. I will take food to my room too.
Wow. We might gonna do that as well.
At inyo pong napanood itong Miss Universe Mexico na si Fatima Bush dito sa kanyang cruise dinner kasama yung ibang mga candidate ng Miss Universe 2025. So nakita, napanood at narinig nyo mga kapolitikan na okay na itong pambato ng Mexico, at kung napapansin nyo ay parang tila walang nangyari doon matapos ang kanilang pagsagutan ni Nawat. So pinag-uusapan po ito ng mga hindi lang mga Thai kundi pati yung ating mga netizen na mga Pinoy. So viral itong photo ni Fatima dito sa social media na kung saan is nakikitang kumakain siya ng mga inihain ni Nawat dito sa mga delegates. So ang sabi ng iba ay baka daw nagutom lang itong Miss Universe Mexico, kasi napanood nyo naman sa kanyang video, sabi niya she loves Thailand daw, but how come na hindi nila pinopromote yung bansang Thailand doon sa kailang main page. So yun lang naman ang concern ni Nawat mga kapolitika. Wala namang iba na hindi ito dahil sa meron silang conflict doon sa CEO, pero ang gusto lang ni Nawat is i-promote rin yung Thailand kasi nandun nga sila bilang respeto na din dito sa kultura at yung napakagandang bansa na Thailand, dahil viral itong videong ito at ang sabi ng iba ay baka nagutom lang daw itong si Fatima, kung kaya nagkaroon sila ng heat up na conversation ni Nawat doon sa loob ng room. But all throughout is okay na itong si Miss Mexico at nag-enjoy na siya sa every moment ng laban niya dito sa Miss Universe 2025 sa Mexico. So sana is hindi na magkaroon ng ganoong mga eksena mga kapolitikan na mag-away yung mga head, magkaroon ng power tripping. Sana is kung magkaroon man ng conflict is doon na lang sa mga CEO, wag lang itong mga candidate kasi kawawa naman sila at nagpunta lang sila dito sa Thailand para i-enjoy yung competition, hindi para makipag-away. Okay? At base dito sa interview ni Parade of Beauty kay Fatima ay nakikita natin at nararamdaman natin mga kapolitika na mabait naman itong candidate or representative ng bansang Mexico. Very vocal rin siya, kung kaya siguro nagkasagutan sila ni Mr. Nawat. So alam niya naman na nagkaroon lang ng misunderstanding, pero yung kanyang personality is maganda siya, and then parang happy lang yung personality ni Mexico at makikita nyo naman sa kanyang aura, at maganda rin in fairness itong kanilang pambato sa Miss Universe 2025. So in other words ay malaki rin ang kanyang potential. Marami ang natutuwa sa kanya dahil matapos yung drama, ngayon ay okay naman na sila dito sa kanilang mga activities sa Miss Universe 2025. Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe kayo dito sa ating YouTube channel. Maraming salamat po.